Welcome to a tour of my website, Maurits Interior Design. It's Maurits here and I have created this website since 2021. And you all know what happened in pandemic. And I was around in Europe and filmed IKEA kitchen models. Because, I don't know, I was there visiting and eating food. And it was no people at the malls at that time. So I walk around alone very much. It was a strange time in world's history, you can say. And then I start this website. Because why not? My main focus was not IKEA in the beginning, but here we are. A lot of IKEA. So I'm just gonna do a little quick tour of my website. I have over 100 and I can show you first. First main page. Articles you're gonna find here. Latest article. This is one of my popular IKEA kitchen color codes. People wanna know the codes, the color of the kitchen, and all information is from IKEA here. I don't trust anybody else than IKEA. And yeah, we can just click in here so you see how I do it. I'm no professional photographer. I'm no professional in English, you can hear. Not my first language. But I like to create things. Websites. And these kitchen color codes you can see here. You can take, for example, this beautiful kitchen I filmed in Sofia, Bulgaria. Upland Mat Dark Beige. This is the color code. You can Google that and then you see. And of course, if you click here, you see more picture of this kitchen soon. When I don't have so slow internet, you can see here something wrong. Oh, there it's come here. It's a beautiful kitchen. And this is how I build up my articles in this. First in the intro, maybe put the color codes and picture of picture. I use a 6-year-old mobile phone still today. And it works, I think. I like there is no AI in this picture. I don't edit any picture. It's raw material I put up on the page. And here you can see I put so much information I can. And I can say I don't write this. I use AI. I put all pictures and information, and IKEA translate good to English what I need. They're really good at that. But you have to give the right information, otherwise ChatGPT, you know. Not the perfect in the world. And this special kitchen. Lot of pictures. See, 55 pictures here in the corner, you see. So this is not normal, not so many pictures I used to take, but this, I don't know why. I like it, obviously. But here you got, that's one example. Yeah, we go to the IKEA kitchen here. Here you found ASKERSUND, BODBYN, Fröjered, Haslarp, Gärsta, Kallarp. But we check all IKEA kitchen. I have filmed 153 kitchens. And let's say every article have 10 pictures. It's 1,500 pictures you can see them. We just take one there and we open some so we get this is beautiful. Of course. No internet. I don't editing this. This is gonna be what it is. This was beautiful. Filmed in Berlin. If you like this kind of kitchen, dark green. And you have the color codes. And what I used to do, take a lot of close picture of material. I think it's very helpful if you're interested in buy kitchen. You want to see so much picture, real picture. Here you see the number and close up to the solution with the cabin. And I used to have videos too. We're gonna see here if we come with. Not this one, not good. Then we check this one. Light green STENSUND kitchen. Classic, traditional style of the drawers you can see. I hope we have videos here. We have no pictures. Now we have pictures. If you like green kitchen, this is very beautiful. And in all articles, I will name what's the sink, what's the handles. Because that was the whole idea. Because when you see a picture like this, okay, it looks nice, but what is this sink? What is this handles? What is this fan and everything? I want to know so much information. And that's where I come in. Yeah, we have videos. I have a lot of views and followers. Followers doesn't matter anywhere, but on Pinterest you find a lot of videos on Pinterest and YouTube now. Yeah, beautiful kitchen. I don't talk in the videos because I don't like to talk, but now I'm gonna start. Not at IKEA because you can't talk there, it's too much people. And this music and this everything. And here we have conclusion of this kitchen. Here you found I have all the accessories to help you. And I don't work for IKEA or anything. I just like to film. I like their food. So I buy food. I don't buy furniture, kitchen, whatever. I just buy food there. This is one of the latest. We're gonna see here. I'm gonna take, this was new one. Take this first. I open it first. Berlin again, Germany. A very special countertop. Terracotta. I wouldn't have it, but I have no opinion. You do what you do. I don't care. I just take picture. New. The thing is, when I filmed in Bulgaria, problem with this Noi is okay, but in Bulgaria is hobo. That's not okay for American to sit and read hobo everywhere. It looks stupid, so I have to put them away. But that's okay. Beautiful. I think the picture are really good for, and now I show from a laptop. You will probably see in front of a mobile phone, and the picture is better there, of course. Everybody's seeing mobile phones today, so it's. And under every article, you have like 6 new ones, the newest one. We go back to this new kitchen, VOXTORP. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful kitchen? If you like high gloss and brown, dark brown gray. Yeah. And I try to show everything. But this, IKEA, it's a lot of people. You don't have time to go check everything. So you have to do your best. Here we have 14 pictures. This is what you can expect in a video here. I don't know why I haven't put video here. I don't know. Maybe I'm lazy, maybe not. This needs a force. I don't even have to check it up. I know a lot of things today that I don't. Yeah, here. Berlin, Germany. Yeah, so if you like IKEA kitchen, I try to do my best and give you so much information as possible. I think the website is, you can have a lot of use for it. Here we go. You see the problem with cameras, light and everything. The color can differ so much from the light, but that you know already. But that's why you almost have to see a kitchen live before you can say anything. Ooh, here I was fast. That's euro. So it's like the same in dollar. But the price is not important because you're here for the picture, not the price, because that change. Yeah, that's my page. If you like IKEA kitchen, that's I like it to film. Here, IKEA Borsten Ringel kitchen. It's kind of hard to take picture of steel like this. It's hard, but it works. Industrial kitchen design. Many people like it, many not. Ekbacken countertop. Ekbacken, I think, is the best seller they have. That's serious. A lot of different styles you can choose from. Baggarnas handles. Baggarnas handles. Oh, it's good. And what do we have here? Is it an ISA Force wagon? Maybe in the corner. Yeah, let's see this too. Yeah, this is what you can expect. Can I do better? Yeah, of course. Will I do better? I don't know. I just create and maybe you like it, maybe not. If you don't like it, don't watch it. But you can see IKEA you have visit IKEA and they have a lot of kitchen to show. The good thing, the most people are not at the kitchen section, so you can be happy about that at least. So, but you have to be awake because some kid just running, and I don't like to film people. I don't like it. And yeah, this was STENSUND, kind of new here, but you can click in and watch it. It's a lot. You see here, kitchen. BODBYN dark green, they have quit with this. Beautiful kitchen if you like that, but very hard to film because the light have to be perfect, otherwise it's almost black. Hard to film. These look popular. Upplöv. Beige color with black. Yeah, ASKERSUND if you like kitchen like this. I think I'm gonna, for me this is like training to talk English, and I will train on that. So I use this channel to train on it because I have 150 articles I can create only to talk about the kitchen. Torhamn I have finished with, but I think this kitchen, Forsbacka, is what they choose instead of Torhamn. BODBYN they're gonna finish with. So I don't take away kitchen they don't sell. I don't care. I keep it. Here is the interesting kitchen because, wait. And I'm gonna take up, yeah, I can, you see, it's a lot. It's the same that uppleva I just showed, same area, different time. That happened. One day there is a uppleva kitchen, the next time it's a VOXTORP. And I think I have a lot of picture. Yeah, 42. The other one has 55. Yeah. Yeah, so now you know what you can expect. These are like Hanslarp and Senap kitchen, but very hard to film. Now they have continued with Hanslarp, so you can't buy them anymore. And it was very hard to film. You need good light, but it was beautiful when it was. Yeah, so click in and enjoy it, try it out. You found other things. Articles. About everything. Here you have IKEA Walkabout greenhouse. I have to take a picture of that. IKEA Lax series. I have some Jättebo sofas from IKEA. Very popular. So yeah, I don't only have kitchen, you see. Yeah. I'm good. I like it. You see, here you have the 3 colors you can choose. This is filmed in Germany. This is filmed in Poland or Oslo or whatever, Norway, Bulgaria. But you see what the color can change, the light. Maybe I have some videos for you. You have a lot of pictures, that's for sure. Yeah. Yeah, here I have video of the color too. Green, beige, grey. Very professional with my phone here. Yeah, better than nothing. And more. So that is what you can expect on my rich interior design. I'm gonna put the link in the description and comments so you can look for yourself. So I hope you like it, and yeah, have a nice day.